Today, we're going to replace an engine air filter in a 2015 Ford Escape. First thing you need to do is access your air filter. It's got two clips. One, reach your hand behind there, look in. Two, easy access. Then you're going to lift the cover up, forward and up. Look at that, easy access. There's your filter. You can see the filter exposed now. Easy to remove, just grab the rubber gasket on the side, pull straight up. I recommend saving your part numbers so you can reference those when you go to your automotive supply store. The manufacturer recommends that you change these filters every 40,000 miles. You can see the dirt built up here, and it's actually pretty dirty in there. A lot of debris, bugs, and other things. So I think it's a worthwhile change at this point with 40,000 miles. I picked up an STP brand filter, but feel free to go to any auto supply store and pick up another brand. I know Walmart has Fram. Nice access to the box. It'll just drop right in. Pretty much as easy as you pulled it out. Stuff it in. Make sure you get it nice and flat. We're good there. And then just slide it back into the two notches in the back. And then you hook your clips. One, you can see the clip. Two, it's back in business. We're ready to go.